What we see here is a modern fan company industry. Personally, I think this model is a modern play on the Emerson heat fan, or blender, as we call it. This one is polished copper. Came out of a Red Robin restaurant, God knows where, probably somewhere in the Midwest. So let's see what it does. You can kind of hear there are balloon strings choking it a bit. They're kind of rubbing around inside it. As typical for restaurant fans, they get choked with balloons. To medium. This fan uses a GE stack motor. It's one of the few modern fan company models to use a stack motor. Too high now. Having a good amount of air considering the fact that it's choked. Off now. The other pull chain is for light kit. There is a reverse switch on the side of the switch housing. For the sake of convenience, I'm using a different mounting bracket for the fan. The canopy is located on top, just sitting there. And there you have it. A modern fan industry.